How to print an array in C. From the start, you know we're printing something, so we will hash include stdio.h. Next, we'll need an array. So, int x array equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. To start, we can just print this out by brute forcing it. So we can do printf double quotes %d \n printf x sub 0, then printf double quotes %d \n, then printf x sub 1, last printf double quotes %d \n printf x sub 2. I talked out each one of those printfs so you could see just how impractical this would get as the array grows larger. Normally, the first way we think of to reduce code duplication is a loop. So let's make this into a for loop. For in I equals 0, I less than 3, I++. For those that are brand new to coding, this basically says start an index variable. It can be named anything, but people normally just name it I at 0. Continue to loop until the index variable is less than 3, and at the end of every run of the loop, increment the index variable by 1. Inside the loop, we'll do printf double quotes %d \n, then printf x sub I, meaning on every run of the loop, print the current element. This reduces code duplication. However, if we added one more number to x, say we added a 4 to the end, this code would now break. We hard-coded the loop to stop at 3 elements, so the 4th element will never get printed. To fix this, let's store the length of x in a variable. So, I'll write the line and then explain it. Int len equals, cast the whole expression to an int, size of x divided by size of x sub 0. The cast makes sure the result is an integer. I won't go any deeper on that. The size of x basically tells you the size of x integers in the array x. The size of x sub 0 tells you the size of one integer. It wouldn't matter which integer you take the size of. People normally just do 0 because it's the easiest one to do. Essentially, the division is canceling out the integer's unit. The size of x integers divided by the size of one integer just leaves you with the number x, which is the length we were after to begin with. Finally, we can change the loop condition to continue looping while I is less than len. This means the array can now be of any length, and this code will still work. Okay, but now this new line for every element thing can get kind of annoying for anything larger than a couple of elements. What can we do about that? There is a simple way that we'll do first. If we just take out the new line in the printf, and leave a space in the printf, then outside the loop, printf a new line, this will print every array element, only separated by space. But what if you want what you get in other languages, an opening left square bracket, comma separated values, and a closing right square bracket? I'll show you one way first, and we'll prove on it. On the printf in the loop, we'll change the space to a comma. Also, inside the loop, we will do 2 if conditions. If I equals 0, meaning we were talking about the first element, then printf double quotes opening left square bracket %d comma, then printf x sub I, and do a continue after to continue to the next run of the loop. For the other condition, if I equals len minus 1, meaning we are talking about the last element, then printf double quotes %d closing right square bracket, then printf x sub I. And also do a continue after here to continue to the next iteration of the loop. If we run this code, you'll see it works, but it's a bit stupid. We had to put in 2 extra continue lines, and we're asking 2 if questions on every single run of the loop that are only going to be true once each. So here's the fix and the final look of the code. Delete both conditions from the loop, and start the loop 1 later and end it 1 sooner. So start I at 1 and end it at len -1. From here, before the loop, we'll do printf opening left square bracket %d, comma, then printf x sub 0. After the loop, we will do printf %d, closing right square brace, closing right square bracket, and printf x sub len -1. If we run this code, it will work, and we did nothing exceptionally stupid to get it to work. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.